Oh, oh, Sheila, let me love you to the... Ooh, she's a thick ones.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing because I have a Janet collection wig, which I haven't reviewed in a really long time. So, ooh, look at my forehead. Okay, don't pay attention to that. I'm batch recording. So it is what it is. It's going to be two different colors. I'll fix that later. We're going to be doing an unboxing together. If you're new here and you happen to watch this video all the way through and you like what you see, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. And if you've been here, you already know what we're about to do. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing real quick. And yeah, I'll give you all her sneaky deaky details and we can get into who's that girl. Alright, let's go. So again, this is a Janet collection wig. It's the Melt Velt Bang. I think they came out with a bunch of collections that had to do with bangs. She's 100% human hair, pre-unmixed. She's HD 360 degrees lace with a 3x6 frontal part wig. She has a transparent Swiss lace. She's pre-plucked, pre-customized, natural hairline, natural density, and she's glueless. Oh, I'm excited about this. I love me a good bang, baby. It's the banging. The banging. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, let's take her out. Sleeves first. I'm just going to drop that on the floor. Again, this is what Miss Thing is looking like. Stock card is giving you what her cap construction is looking like, what you can pretty much do with the wig. And then the backsies, it shows you all the colors that she pretty much comes in, which is latte color, tiramisu, ginger, caramel, cocoa, mocha, 11Bs, and the number 2. Alright, let's cut that off. Take her out the package. It's in here pretty good too. Hold on, let me put this. Damn. I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm okay. Alright, we're going to take this off. This is what she's given so far. The color I got was DR Mocha. DR Mocha coming through. Listen, don't be afraid of a little bit of color now. It comes with the 2 combs in the nape area, one in the back. She comes with an adjustable elastic band, which you can take off, and I'm going to take off because I got braids in, so you can take that off, which is great. And she comes with adjustable straps as well. It's pretty stretchy, so I'm hoping this is big head friendly. She looks like she may be big head friendly. Oh, my girl is a 360 though. Ooh. Let's try her on. I'm talking too much. Let's try her on and see what she's giving. I feel like I should leave the straps on, but we're gonna see. Oh no! Oh, I can already tell she's tight because of these stupid braids. Try this again. I'm gonna leave some of my hair out in the back and see if that works. Cause I don't know how y'all be doing this when y'all have dreads in your hair. But let me put this on. Try to do it this way instead. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Oh, she's so tight because of these stupid braids. She might be too tight. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Okay, so straight out the box, is she shedding? Yeah, just a little bit. She's very thick. She's thicker than a Snicker. I like that. Her bang, on the other hand, is very thin. I wish it was a little bit thicker than that. But she's giving off a yucky texture. Oh, she's beautiful. Check out at the back. Let's look at the back. Like I said, she's thick. What y'all think? I like her. I wish the bang was a little bit thicker, but I feel like I see where they were going with this. The only problem is she's giving off very much wiggy. Look at the way she's laid because of these damn braids in my hair. She's kind of, I don't think she's big hair friendly, y'all. No. Hold up. Hey. I'm tempted to take my braids out because she don't fit. She don't fit my head. And I feel like it's because of these braids, but I also feel like because she not big head friendly. I went about taking my braids out. Yes, I went about taking my braids out. Y'all should appreciate me for doing this. Because baby girl was way too tight. So I was like, let me go ahead and take my braids out. And then see if it's just my head. No, see if it's just a wig or if it's my head. So either way, took the braids out. So let's go about this a couple days later. Let's go about trying this on again and then seeing what I can do with her. Like, she was just way too tight. And I feel like she's definitely not big head friendly. But yeah, with the braids off, let's see. She definitely feels a lot better than when I had the braids on. She's on. She is on. And I'm going to automatically just let you know she's really not big head friendly. Like, at all. If you got braids or dreads or anything underneath, she's not going to do it. If you all the way bald headed like me, she going to fit like a glove. But if you wear a large, she going to fit like a medium. So she fits. But she's going to be tight. She's going to be tight. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go about pushing her back, styling her, and then go from there. So what I'm going to do with this synthetic wig, I'm going to give you my pros and then my cons because I like to start off on a positive note. So positive note number one, she is giving looks. You couldn't tell me. Baby. Baby. Oh, she eats. She eats. Okay. And all her meal, 5 courses, nothing left. Dessert, appetizer, main course, something in between, salad, soup, gone. Gone. And I feel like people sleep on Janet, but she's nasty. She's nasty. She does some nasty work. She really does, okay? Don't sleep on her. The color, amazing. The texture, super duper soft. She's not shiny. She's like in between. She's a textured wig. She's a textured wig, and she's full. I love that about her. And for $40, you cannot go wrong. Another thing that I like about this wig, she is very versatile. She's a 13x6, so you can do some flips and some flops with her. That would be cute. Bang, no bang, if she actually fits your whole head. I can't do that because, like I said, my edges are all the way out. And I am really feeling this veil bang situation. I think this is super duper cute. You can have her all the way on your forehead. I would just suggest you cut her a little bit because synthetic fibers in your eyeballs, not the move. But, and this is the big but, she literally would have been a 10 in my book, but I have to knock her down to a 5 only because she literally does not fit my head. Like, she is small. As you can see, my edges is all the way back here. And before you say what edges, check yourself in them comments, boo. Because I unleashed the wrath. I would unleash. Before you say what edges, I would unleash the wrath on your ears. So, tread lightly, okay? Tread lightly. All my edges is out, or whatever I have left is out. She is not big head friendly at all. She is kind of super duper tight if you do have a big head. So, that knocks her down to a 5 for me. I'm sorry. I had to literally pull her down, spray her right here in the middle with some Isha spray just to hold her down in this area. I actually have the 2 combs on the side, and I usually don't use the combs on the side because that actually takes off your edges. If you know, you know. So I usually don't use the 2 combs on the side, but I had to put the 2 combs on the side into my actual hair to hold it in place, to give me some kind of security. If it wasn't for that, this wig would literally be like back here right now. And yeah, that's just not, I had to knock her down to a 5 because of that. So most likely she's going away, bye-bye. If it wasn't for that, I would definitely keep her in my collection. Oh, another big reason why she's a 5, she sheds like crazy. This is the amount of hair that I got, and it's still coming out. So it looks like I plucked her, but of course she's not one of those type of wigs, so there's that. I feel like, my own opinion, Janet collection, you need to go back into the factory with this one, make her a little bit more big head friendly, and then baby, I would definitely go ahead and buy some more. But until then, I digress. I would love to try another wig in this collection, but I'm too scared that it might not fit my dome, so there's that. Anyway, folks, that's all that I got on Miss Domi from Janet Collection. If you happen to like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So every time I upload a small cat baddie like this one, 'cause baby, she reaching. But she cute. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. See you in my next video. Bye.